You want a soup that eats like a meal? This soup is a meal. No like about it. Hot desert day, you'll want this soup during the cold sunset. It warms the belly. Burn unit. You won't find this at Taco Bell. The soup's main ingredient after you make it? Magic. Listen, you're not making a round of passion fruit daiquiris. It is going to be hot and it will expand. So don't fill it to the top, Tom Cruise. Ideally, I'd use a stick blender. Unless you like the glorious idea of spending a day in a burn unit wondering what color you'll paint your ceiling if and when you regain your eyesight. After a blistering hot desert day, you'll want this cold sunset soup. Burn unit.